Akshit, do you remember our conversation about nouns a few days ago?
Yes, Janvi, I do.
Okay, good. So can you tell me what a noun is?
A noun is a word or phrase that names a person, place, animal, or thing.
Excellent, Akshit. And do you recall what common and proper nouns are?
Yes, Janvi, a common noun is a noun that names general people, animals, places, or things.
That's right. Common nouns can refer to things we can see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. For example, ocean, house, student, switch, television, company, bag, money, flower, homework, pasta, shoes, etc.
Got it, Janvi.
And what about proper nouns?
Proper nouns are nouns that name specific people, places, animals, or things. They always begin with a capital letter.
Exactly! Can you give me some examples of proper nouns?
Sure, Janvi. People like Mr. Mehta, Mahatma Gandhi, and Arnab. Places and buildings like Manipur, Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Juhu Beach. Geographical areas like the Himalayas and the Bay of Bengal. Festivals like Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, and Diwali. Languages like English, Hindi, etc.
Great job, Akshit! Now let's understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns with the help of some sentences. Common nouns: I like to watch this film. He swam through the river. My father reads the newspaper every morning. She can speak 4 languages. Proper nouns: my favorite film is Dangal. The Ganges is the longest river of India. My father reads the Times of India every morning. Gitanjali can speak in Hindi, Bengali, Punjabi, and English. See, Akshit? Common nouns are general, while proper nouns are specific.
I understand now, Janvi. Thanks for the lesson.
You're welcome, Akshit. Now let's practice some more.